When my husband and I moved into this house, we always imagined that we wanted to change the space. Obviously, it wasn't exactly what we wanted it to be, especially the bathrooms. We always wanted a bathroom, or rather master bedroom, that looked or gave a luxury feel, and we wanted to feel like we're in a hotel. For me, a bathroom is a really big investment, and I think it's a very important one. It's so important to create a space that you enjoy. For example, I'm a mom, I'm a wife, I work, so my life is quite demanding, and my bedroom and my bathroom are one of those places I love to come to at the end of the day, to just be by myself, to just relax, to soak up life. So I wanted to create a space that I can actually come and just forget about the world's problems and enjoy the space, run a hot bubble bath and just relax. My husband and I absolutely love Infinity Surfaces. We love that it doesn't stain, we love that it doesn't scratch easily, and it just looks aesthetically pleasing to the eye. So the color Royal Peacock has brought a lot of character and uniqueness to our bathroom space. Behind the bath is the main feature wall, the baby of the bathroom. So as soon as you walk in, that's the first thing you come across, and it adds so much character. Like I mentioned, there's a lot of colors. It's not just one color, it's a variation of really nice colors that work so beautifully together. What we did with the two slabs is that we asked the fabricator to make it book matched. What book matched means is basically you create an image using two different slabs. You have a picture that comes together, and in our bathroom, in this case, it looks like a butterfly. So when you're doing your space and you decide to go for an infinity slab, the nice thing is there's often offcuts left over, and the person who's fabricating for you can usually use those to create something, either trays, or for example, in our case, we used the offcuts to make soap holders or soap dishes. It's nice because it's detachable, so you can have it on the vanity or you can have it off, and I think it creates a different feel as well, because then when you have it on, it almost seems like it's two basins, but it's not. But if you want one flowing basin, then you can always remove it. If you're currently in the process of renovating your home and you'd like some inspo, then please do check out some of the other Infinity Surface videos.